Aloha. So today is February 14th, 2025, and it is
Valentine's Day. Beautiful Valentine's
beautiful
Day.
Valentine's Day. And we are here in a very, very special place, which we love very much. And we were just talking about Valentine's Day. And I was just sharing with Lahela, Valentine's to me, um, I always felt like it's such a
So commercialized. Yeah.
that it didn't really,
It's
even
like,
though that you and I'm so grateful that we
yeah.
have partnership, a very loving marriage. However, Valentine's Day to us is not like a huge deal, and because we celebrate our love pretty much every day, and so grateful for one another. And we were having this discussion about Valentine's and what does it mean anything to you? Do you? Because for me, I had to definitely switch my perspective about Valentine's because of
Yeah.
the commercialism.
Right. Me too. Because I felt like, oh, it's so corny, you know. But then I had to look at it and go, well, what is it really about? And it's really just about sharing your love with the people you love. That's what it really boils down to, right? And so
Right.
then that totally dismissed the whole
Yeah.
commercial because they want to make it
Commercialized.
commercialized so that they can,
Right.
bank on it.
Yeah, they can make money off of it. It's
Yeah,
pretty much a date that one can actually profit from it.
right.
And when you think about it, since we were children, right? I remember being in grade school when you get all those little Valentine cards, the one card with the one envelope, and all your friends would be passing them out to each
Yeah,
other, right?
yeah,
And the candies and
yeah.
the little hearts with the little
Little
sayings on
words on
it.
it. Yeah,
I mean, it was great as a kid.
yeah.
We
It
felt
was fun.
we felt special,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
and that's what Valentine's is about. Is really
Making people feel special.
right
Yeah,
and
feel loved.
feeling loved.
Yeah, and
So
receiving that love. Yeah.
right. And so we're here today. Actually, we decided to do something. The other form of love is definitely self
Self
care
care.
and self love. So, again, it always begins with oneself, loving oneself, filling your own cup up. Therefore, you can
Yes.
share it with the world.
Fill your cup up so that you have more of yourself to share with others.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, that's our conversations that matter today. We were just talking story about that and being in gratitude for this very special place that we live in, play in, work in, and this very loving relationship that you and I have with our each other,
Yeah.
with
Very supportive relationship.
yeah,
Yeah.
with ourselves, and also the loving relationships that we are blessed with in our lives.
Yeah. We surround ourselves with people who know how to give and receive love.
It's very true, and it's always a choice. So we are trusting that you are choosing to have a beautiful Valentine's Day, not just today, but every day,
Every day.
especially with yourself.
Yeah. 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 So enjoy this day. Hope you take time out for self care for yourself
Hmm.
and with your loved ones.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let us know in the comments below how you are celebrating Valentine's Day every day.
Yes. And always remember to breathe
Breathe
aloha
aloha.
into your day.
Remember that you are supported and loved. Ahui ho for now.
Aloha.